Majito mulgeria bweta sengen soko TV ngo chiaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabon mugaso chinga kina kwarigiria Amayia Chinsa yo bwenge karansuke yeterana rimna butamende ya Ndemo nyerabano gutonyora so mtandao Facebook na baga YouTube yenyari go kwimanya ali agendeta kwena kiwa asegeta sengeito. Majito mulgeria togo chaka bene kurwase county ya Kisii nigo musacho yo masireta astari kumuriasi goitera saba advocate bae Bernard Tanja na bego Bradil Nike babe kireki nagyo komo mochimo bungo kitutu chache South Anton Kibagendi kuwatikana nekeria goteba nigo Kibagendi amuitete na kumutigera chingoma chintindi tariki ya 20 na kianda mutienyoyo imeomochi obosongo
is Astariko Omariba. On Thursday at about 9 a.m. we were having our breakfast at Java near Toto Petrol Station in Kisii town. As we were taking our breakfast, the Honorable Member of Parliament Kitutu Chache South stormed in directly to me shouting, lazima utaniheshimu. Alleging that I'm having an affair with one of, or rather with his girlfriend. Then he started beating me. He was accompanied with his bodyguard and another person. So there was a scuffle. We reported at Kisii Central Police Station. I was taken to the hospital. I was treated and discharged. Came back and I was issued with a P3 form. When I was issued with a P3 form, all the procedures were taken. And yesterday evening, when I'd come back to Nairobi, I collapsed. So this morning we have come to the hospital and we were referred to come here to German Medical Center. For more checkups here and there. That is what I can say.
So how did you get the injury on your leg?
During the scuffle, they stepped on me because I fell down. So many properties at Java Kisii town were destroyed. The tables and the chairs fell on me. So that is how I got injured in my left, as you can see in my left leg.
My name is Bernard Tanja, an advocate, and we are here today to express our dissatisfaction on the processes that the police are doing in regards to the client's assault in Kisii town. We have had a P3 form filled. Every procedure has been done. But the police are yet to arrest the culprit who assaulted our client in Kisii with unknown people in a restaurant in Java Kisii town. So today we are giving the police an ultimatum of 24 hours to ensure that the culprit who caused mayhem in Kisii town has been arrested and brought before the court as soon as possible. Because we have nothing to do as citizens, we are to be protected by the police, who are again supposed to ensure that everything that is to be done has to be done legally. So we expect that the IG, Inspector Kancha, to ensure that the culprit, the MP for Kitutu Chache, has been arrested and arraigned before court as soon as possible. We are here as a legal team. We want to ensure that whatever that happened has been investigated as quickly as possible to ensure that justice has been done and meted on our client so that we have a clear pathway on how the legal process will proceed. It is inadvertent to mention that even our client has been getting warnings from yesterday that they are looking for him. So our client is in danger, his life is in danger. We expect this to be expedited as quickly as possible to ensure that justice has been done.
Nabigo manchito mulia togosika mutwe nigo ababunge kuro rugongo rwa Nyanza baburirio mulembe kwenekiwa ase chinsemo maiga yobochori oboke gokorekana boigo nigo baburiria abananchi ko babatwereru na kubika omulembe.
Or to congratulate the President of the Republic of Kenya and the party leader of ODM for the victories that they won yesterday. They won Magarini, the Honorable Kombe is coming back. In Ibere North, under UDA, the Honorable Madende is coming back. In Malava, David Indakwa is coming as a fresh MP. In Ugenya, Moses is coming as a fresh MP. And in Kasipul, Boyd is coming as a fresh MP. So I want to congratulate the President for proving to Wamunyoro that he's still a super president of the Republic of Kenya. And that Wamunyoro is playing on Junior League, him is playing on Arsenal. Secondly, allow me to talk to our politicians. I saw in Kasipul the way the Honorable Kaluma was beaten. We should avoid political intolerance. It has not helped, especially beating an MP who is elected and a party official. So we need to talk to people of Kasipul. The one in Kasipul requires prayers. Kasipul in Luo Nyanza requires what? Prayers. So we pray that political intolerance goes down so that we allow wananchi to vote the way they voted yesterday.
Nabigo monogeri bungene ne Moses Wetangula na somoiga wenyangi miaga salani county ya Garissa oenekiri abakenya undeta yogo chigotiwa magiga asensemo ya magendero na yankubwatikana no muraiwense kogendera ni mirobiri yaye ya magendero egatiabo kwagechira abakenya chinyomba cha magurense chibara okobeka chinguru chomolero nabego amagendero kwenekiwa asichinsemo ao.
Ulikuwa bunge juzi na ukasema yale unataka Kenya ikue. Mambo yote uliyoyasema inatendeka kila mahali. Launch housing everywhere, you've launched housing here. Umejenga viwanja vya ndege, nimeona moja hapa hata kubwa zaidi. Mambo ya maji, mambo ya mabarabara, we want to see a Kenya where nobody is left behind. Zote tukisonga mbele. Ya mwisho, we want a peaceful country, we want a country that is moving forward. Na vile rais ameanzisha kujenga na kuboresha nchi yetu, anastahili kupewa nafasi aendelee, na nimefurahi sana kusikia hapa nyinyi pia mko na hiyo wimbo ya 2 term kama Kenya mzima vile tumeona.
Nabigo muraiwense William Ruto howoliri abantu kura chinsemo chonsi kubwate ibande ebyo birachikubakonya konyoro bokoreri kurwa chinsemo ao che serikali ayanigago chama ya serikali kuruse bitango byabeire bigosiekera abantu abange mono kurwa chinsemo cha notistan kwenyorera ebibande.
Let me say to the leaders here, I very, very sincerely appreciate your support for this administration. We have asked our members of parliament, both in the National Assembly and the Senate, to work with us as we roll out the transformation of our country. It takes legislation, it takes policy papers, it takes many forms. And I want to say, I have always counted on the support of the members of parliament from Northern Kenya, and they have always been there to support this administration. And I very, very sincerely appreciate your support. And as I said from the beginning, I will make sure by God's grace that no part of Kenya is left behind. It will be my responsibility to make sure that we balance the development of this country. No region, no community, no part of this nation will be left behind as we create the momentum for the transformation of Kenya. As I laid out the plan for us in Parliament last week, I was very conscious to know that we have to get the whole country moving.
Nabaigo moriki utambe we wizara y'obuchenu Meri Mudhoni hotebire wizara y'obuchenu nibwatemero birio yokwenekia bunagukinire birengo by'obuchenu mega yaborokiwa emyeye mo emerongene na isano nemo kurwazi skuru y'obuchenu ya Sisri Mike Donner kubekirwe gutwaso mu Nairobi chinsemo abakoleri abo banyarete bakwegwa chibuto cyabo.
Digital health, because the benefits of technology must reach all Kenyans, those in Nairobi and those in other remote areas. So as nurses, you are the bridge between innovation and the community. The Ministry of Health is very much committed to digital health reforms, the interoperability of systems, and scaling up telemedicine. So we count on you to be the champions and to implement this innovation.
No, there's migration of labor and there's nothing much we can do about that, but we want to still encourage them that when they're still in the country, we'll always give them the first priority when it comes to employment. Remember, these are people we've trained. We've trained them for a long time. We know the quality of training that we give. We know the quality of faculty that we employ in this institution. So we have a very, very high degree of faith in them, and we'll always absorb them as and when vacancies arise.
Hardworking, they are very dependable, and they are aggressive, and we encourage them to go on with this attitude so that they can even carry the name of the Nairobi Hospital to the rest of the country and even beyond. We wish them well as they endeavor to go on with their life and as they pursue their career in Kenya and beyond. We wish them well, and we wish to encourage them to keep going and to carry our name in a positive direction.
Even as we are graduating the 140, we already have, of those that are graduating, about 16 of them are prepared to join the workplace or the marketplace in Germany. They have trained in the German language. By next year, mid next year, they will all be living for Germany, and we are very excited.
Majito murigiria tugukorera Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere nigense moyo kwa meria serikali yinande manyekaine muna United Opposition Alliance ekageire gocha gutware gikarabena ekyo batebire muna bachiye goikirana ekyo inji bachiye gukora postmortem meeting ayiga kubwatikana no gutonyora ebirogo bitano na bibere biborai hebibachiete asebya mabya UDA na ODM muraiwe kiama kia PNP madakarua no moliki wegetambukiro kyo kwenda koti asekiria goteba buna chikura tichiari chobwene chinga kibono oyo kabero mu waziri bobwendi bwaime Fred Matiang'i neratebire buna mbabwate obusaide boisaine.
Sisi kama upisani tutaketi pamoja, we analyze what happened, we decide what we are going to do. Uchaguzi ukiisha haujaisha, iko koti, iko sheria inasema unaweza kimbiza mtu, iko kifungo ya sheria inasema mamlaka iko kwa mwananchi, haiko kwa wale wanakalia viti, iko kwa wananchi kwa jumla. Wacheni tukae chini tujue ni nini, lakini hata kufanyike hivyo mimi siwezi baduka, ni one term.
Siku moja hata wewe mwenyewe utashangaa, because you don't know how these people will respond to this constant harassment, constant intimidation, constant bravado, unprecedented abuse of power. It's as if this hubris that power does not end.
Wewe umeona chopa 16 hapa, hata Kenya 1 ilikuwa imepeanwa ikuje ile Air Force. Tumeona vifaru hapa kuja kupigana kutafuta kiti ya mbunge. 600 million has been spent kutafuta kiti ya MP.
Why would the constitution provide that voting shall be by secret ballot, and nobody wants to follow that? I'm not giving evidence, because that will come in the appropriate forum. Yeah, we will be providing.
Na gwikira wo manjito murgeria bwigeta sengia Soko TV no nkubutera Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere korende chinga keche Docho yominto Dominico Ndelio nyarika wikasi studio munyale mokwegokia na materaye na bwigo umurubirio kenda uchingire miro bitu migeta senigen Soko TV nero borosubo magusibu na butambiri tenda na Ndemo tumerene ankyo asemesa ya Amayia.
Soko TV.